Hey everyone, Michael here. In today's video, we're going to be doing a deep dive into the stochastic indicator. This one is powerful, it's useful. We're going to learn how to set it up on TradingView and how to fine tune it for day traders, scalpers, and swing traders so you guys can make the most profit possible. Let's get started. First things first, everybody, I want you guys to find your favorite stock, cryptocurrency, or forex pair and put it on your TradingView chart. Next, you guys are going to go over here to indicators, metrics, and strategies and just type in stochastic and boom, it's going to pop up right there at the top. Make sure you do not click stochastic RSI, but just the plain stochastic. Afterwards, you're going to see it pop up right here on the bottom of your screen. If it's not large enough and it opens up like this, just drag it up like that. It'll make your life a lot easier. Afterwards, you guys can go over here to settings, and I want you guys to turn the blue line and orange line right here, the K and the D line. I want you to make these lines as thick as possible. That way, if you guys zoom out like I do, and I normally go with 100%, you guys will be able to see these lines and the crossovers that occur without having to zoom in and without having to squint your eyes, okay? Now, how do you actually use this indicator? Now that we've added the stochastic indicator to our chart, let's understand how it works. The indicator consists of two lines, the K line and the D line, that move between the values of 0 and 100. The base principle behind the stochastic indicator is that it helps traders identify potential overbought or oversold conditions in the market. Here are some key points to consider. Number 1, overbought conditions. When the K line and D line are above 80, the asset might be overbought and a price reversal could be imminent. Number 2, oversold conditions. When the K and D lines are below 20, the asset might be oversold and might indicate a potential price increase. Bullish crossovers. Think of golden crosses here, guys. When the K line crosses above the D line, it may signal a buying opportunity. And number 4, bearish crossover. When the K line crosses below the D line, it may indicate a selling opportunity. To make the most out of the stochastic indicator, you're going to want to customize it according to your trading style. Let's discuss some recommended settings for day traders, swing traders, and scalpers. Remember that different strategies require different time frames. If you guys are scalpers, you guys are going to be using the 1-minute charts, the 3-minute charts, and the 5-minute charts. If you guys are looking to do more day trading, you guys are going to be looking to do the 5-minute charts, the 15-minute charts, and the 1-hour charts. And then if you guys like to swing trade, again, for those time frames, 1-hour charts, 4-hour charts, and the daily charts. Now, for you day traders out there, you want your K length to be 9, you want your K smoothing to be 3, and you also want your D smoothing to be 3. And that's the perfect setup for day traders right here. Now, for all of you who like to swing trade, your numbers are going to be 14, 3, and 3. Just like that for swing traders, there you go. Nice smooth price actions. Again, on the 4-hour chart, you can see the reversal here, reversal here, reversal here for some nice profits. And then finally, for you scalpers out there, you guys are going to be using much smaller numbers. You guys are going to be going with 5, 2, and 2. And this is perfect for those of you guys like to trade on the 1-minute and the 5-minute time frames. Easy crossovers to get in and out before you get caught up in a larger move. Now, if you really want to master this indicator, you're going to mix it with other indicators like moving averages, RSIs, you get it. You guys are going to have to put this together and make a wholehearted strategy in order to become a full-time investor. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.